Hi guys, welcome back to Diana Loves Colors. Today I have my other kit from Dreamer Designs. Now this was a release that I think this came out last Christmas and I wanted this, but at the time I just didn't get it, but I'm so glad. This is their box, instructions, and the contents. There is a picture of the kit on the bottom. So I think I am going to do this one next because it is so cute. Now, I kept thinking about this and wondering, is this Christmas or not? Oh, I'm so excited. Let me show you their bag. It's like a nylon-y bag. I think their other one is a little softer now. This is an older kit, so maybe that's why. Branded on the bag. So we have our canvas, our drills, and our tool kit. I'm going to try to make this video shorter. Canvas comes wrapped in this purple ribbon. Purple is their thing. So I'm going to start unrolling this so this can relax. Their canvas is, it's soft, but it is like a nylon material. The edges are scalloped on the edges and like sewn so it doesn't fray. So I'm rolling this backwards. They roll their canvases on a white foam tube, and they're always so tight. Everyone keeps saying, get rid of the tube. We don't need it. Wrap the canvas around the drills. There's the tube. You might be able to do something with that, all my crafty friends out there. So I'm going to let that relax for a second. Let's look at the toolkit. It is in this super soft bag. That hasn't changed. Branding on the tool bag. Let's open it up. Oop, we're tied in a knot today. I'm all kinds of excited about this. So in our toolkit we have, whoops, everything going everywhere. 2 branded trays, 2 caddies of pink wax, also branded, 2 purple squishies, 2 glittery pens. One is a regular and one has a plastic tip that you put your wax in. Makes it easy to pick up your AB drills. We have a pair of tweezers, which are also branded, and those are sharp. We have 2 multi-placers. These are the wide ones. We want the skinny ones, Dreamer Designs. And we have a straightener. I love those. That's our toolkit. Oops, and I forgot. A bunch of baggies. We can always use those. Get this out of the way. Doo-doo-doo. Ah, everything's going everywhere. And we have directions. But I recommend going on YouTube and looking at diamond painting for beginners if you've never done it. Or there's their social media on there. They have a YouTube channel and they have all kinds of instructional videos on there. So check them out on YouTube. It's Dreamer Designs. They're on Facebook, Instagram, all of that. Here, whoops. Here are the labels for this kit. These are peelable, but you have to cut them. Now they're cut for you, and you just peel them off. But this is an older kit, so this is how they came. There's 36 colors in this, and it looks like they're telling us there are 3 ABs in this, so we'll be on the lookout for those Aurora Borealis drills. Let's flip her over and look at her. She is a beautiful angel. Isn't she sweet? Oh my God. And the colors. Oh, I'm on a fairies and angels kick this week. So here we have a legend on the left and the right. And there's social media at the top, paint with passion at the bottom. Up here is a picture, thumbnail. The name of the piece, Angel Wings. And this is also by Regan Kubecek. My other one was too. I didn't even realize that. And this is 15.7 inches by 23.6. So she is just adorable. Halo, blonde hair, blue eyes, little heart pendant. And I don't know, to me, she looks like a Christmas angel. She could be any kind of angel, but to me, she's a Christmas angel, and that's why I'm going to do her. Let's look up close at the symbols. This is more confetti than I thought it was going to be, and I don't know if they're still doing this. I didn't see it on the other kit that by the same artist, but they do have, looks like guide circles on here, but they don't look that bad. And guide circles are just where you're going to place the drills, and they look small enough that I shouldn't have any problem covering the whole area with the drill. Also, they extend the picture beyond the drill, so if you are going to cut this out for framing, you don't have to cut like right next to the drills and give yourself a heart attack while you're doing it. I don't know if you do, if you feel that way when you're doing it, but I do sometimes. Like, no, I don't want to cut it. Anyway, let's look at the drills and let's find those ABs. Let's find how you open the package. I am not good with these packages. Sorry for the noise. I know that bothers some people, but there is no other way to get into these drills without opening that plastic. So I'm just gonna show you the colors like that first, but let's look at them closer. Now don't get nervous about what may look like a bug in your bag. It's not a bug. It's their branding. It's the little telescope with the moon. And some people say that it looks like a mosquito, a dead mosquito in there. Lavender, green, orange, pink orange, blue. Look at that blue. You have the 310, the black, and a pinky color, pinky purple. And that is like a dark rose. A couple of more oranges. More blues and pinks and baby pink. Oh, I see an AB. We have yellow. And there is one of the ABs there. And next to it is another AB. And we'll be on the lookout for one more. that train fell on the floor. Oh, I just love these colors. I'm not good at naming them. And probably everyone wants to call them something else. Okay, I only saw 3 of them. I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to find those ABs, and I'm going to find where they go. Okay, we're back. Drills are back in their package. And before we go any further, I just want to check, see how sticky this is. Good, it's sticky. And this plastic is a thicker plastic. It's not like the cellophane stuff. So it doesn't tear as easily. Which happens when you're working on something bigger. Of course, it's going to tear more as you go and going. But anyway, these are the 3 ABs. So if you're not familiar with that, ABs stands for Aurora Borealis, and it's just a special iridescent coating that they put on top of regular drills. And that makes your painting sparkle. So the white ABs, there aren't too many of them, but they are going to go in the inner circle of her halo. There are some in her eyes, in her necklace, and her little heart here. And they're also just sprinkled in the background here where you see those white dots there. So those are the white ABs. And the yellow ABs are up in her halo. They are highlighting the lightest part of her hair. There are some in her wings and wingtips. And it's just like the light, where the light is hitting, shining from her halo. It's accenting. These ABs are going to accent. It's also in these lightest parts of her dress. So that is going to be nice. Her hair is going to be awesome. And then the red ones are going to go, almost all of them, in her dress down here. They're like streaked, where you see this light area here, 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 and there are some in the bodice of her dress as well. There are a few coming out from the rays up there too. So I think they use these really nicely in here. Of course, you could always add more on your own if you like to do that. And so I just think she's beautiful, and I'm so happy she's arrived. It only took 4 days. I don't know. They're in the United States, so it shipped pretty fast. So that's Angel Wings. And if you go on their site, just sign up for their emails, and you'll get an email whenever they're having a sale, and they have them all the time. If you want to save 15%, you can use my affiliate code. It's Diana15. You'll save 15% at checkout. So thank you everyone for watching, and I was also so happy this morning when I got up that I went over 200 subscribers now, and I am so thankful about that. I appreciate it so much, and I'm going to have that giveaway soon when I get to about 210, 215, okay? And we'll talk about that soon. Okay, everybody, bye. Have a happy, happy Thanksgiving.